It doesn't matter if you're tiny or tall.
It doesn't matter if you're big or small.
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all.
You got it, big!
Why, thank you, small. Skipping, flipping, climbing up a rope. Hiding, riding, sliding down a slope. Skating on an ice cube, swinging on a star. It makes no difference what size you are.
Nice!
If you want to have fun, it doesn't matter at all. 'Cause here we are, we're big and small.
Yeah! Shoo! Go away! Don't think I'm scared of you just because you have beady eyes and long, sharp, pointy, jaggedy teeth. You're not real. Do you hear me? You are not real.
Well, that's 6 of them and 2. That's 47 cousins. And that's not even counting all the nephews. They're all squirming around. They're all so cuddly.
Tweeper! Can't you see that I'm totally tired, that I'm sound asleep and snoring like this?
Hey, Small. Do you mind watching T-Rex? I've got to go inside and, I don't want him to get lonely. You don't mind, do you?
Oh, yes, this is certainly, happy to do it. Don't mention it.
Thanks, Small.
Do I mind? Yes, of course I mind. Wouldn't you mind if you had to babysit a ferocious monster? Anyway, it's still not polite to make a small have to. You're looking at me, aren't you? Boo! 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 Well, I feel like stretching. Ooh, it's a nice stretch there. Ooh, nice little stretch. I like stretching. Ooh, you fell into a hole? Holes are very dangerous. I'm gonna fill this in. La la la, la la la. Okay. Oops, I dropped a sink.
I saw that.
No, you didn't, Tweeper. No, you didn't. Good night, Big.
Good night, Small.
Good night, Big.
Good night, Small.
Good night, Big.
Hey, where's my dinosaur? Where's T-Rex? T-Rex! Where are you? What am I gonna do, Small? What if I can't find T-Rex? What if I can't fall asleep without him? What if I can never fall asleep? What if I just have to keep on talking like this? Night after night after night.
After night? Oh.
Thanks, Small. It's just until I find T-Rex, okay?
Yeah, don't mention it. I mean, really? Don't mention it to anyone?
Yeah. Good night, Small.
Good night, Big. Once upon a time... Big? How am I supposed to read if you're going to make all that racket?
I miss T-Rex. Did you ever lose something that you really, really loved? It's terrible. Oh, it's just terrible. I think we have to sing. I miss my soul. How I'd love to hear him roar. I miss my soul. Say, have you seen him? Has anybody seen him? I miss my soul. I miss my soul. Did he walk right out the door? Or is he in a cupboard? Or tucked up in a drawer?
This is a really good book, Big. You should read it.
Say, have you seen him? Has anybody seen him? I miss my soul. How I long to hear him roar. I miss my soul. I remember. I remember. I left T-Rex with you, Small.
You did?
Okay. Okay. He kind of gone far right. I mean, he is just a toy.
Big, are you looking for something? I would not be surprised if you were looking for something.
Shh. Don't listen to her, Big. Tweeby doesn't know anything.
Oh, yes, I do. You pushed Big's toy into a hole.
Okay,
I
let's
saw
come on.
the entire
Let's go
thing.
to the beach.
Let me
Okay,
tell
let's
you,
go to the
I was
beach.
horrified.
Okay,
You
but I
pushed
really,
Big's
really
toy
need to know
into a
how to
hole.
swim. So come on, Big.
Stop! Okay. Tweeber, what did you just say?
Well,
Wait. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, there was this big hole. It was enormous big, and before I could stop him, T-Rex jumped in it.
you pushed him.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, I pushed him, but then he fell into a giant hole. And Big, as you know, holes are very completely dangerous, so I had to cover it with some dirt, and then I had to drop the sink on it by accident, and it's not like I did it on purpose.
This hole right here.
Yeah.
I'm very cross that you did this, Small, and I'm going to stay cross until you're sorry.
Sorry? Why should I be sorry? Just because I took his favourite toy and buried it so he'd never find it? I mean, would you be sorry? You would? Hey, Big, are we going to read The Shark with a Sore Throat tonight?
I'm sorry, Small, but I'm not talking to you right now.
Okay. Well, before you turn off the light, I just want to say that
I'm sorry, what's that?
I'm sorry I buried your dinosaur. I mean, how many times do I have to say it? Sheesh.
Say you're sorry to T-Rex. Small, are you scared of T-Rex? Is that why you buried him?
Maybe.
Oh, Small, why didn't you just say so? Were you embarrassed to be scared of a toy? 'Cause that's okay.
Well, maybe.
I suppose he is kind of scary looking.
Big, could you please keep him in the cupboard at night?
Really? You don't want him here?
No!
I mean, because he's very cuddly. Okay, Small.
means he can sleep with us. Just make sure I can't see him.
Thanks, Small.
Good night, Big.
Good night, Small. Good night, T-Rex.
Good night, you horrible monster.
Hmm?